All regions effective immediately are no longer in the stay-at-home order.
Now San Diego is back in the state's most restrictive purple reopening tier. It means restaurants can once again resume outdoor dining and personal care businesses can start taking customers inside with precautions.
Projecting 4 weeks forward with a significant decline in the case rates, positivity rates, we are anticipating still more decline in hospitalizations and more declines in ICUs, and that's why we're lifting that stay-at-home order.
The regional restrictions hit right at the beginning of December when ICU capacity was stretching. The state's top medical expert says they are predicting numbers through next month to improve.
We hope that we continue to see the decline that we've been witnessing over the past 10 to 14 days.
The governor says while that's good news,
you could see here just the 7-day average of deaths, 504. It's just a reminder of how important it is until we get vaccinated, of maintaining our vigilance.
Newsom says currently California is vaccinating around 120,000 people per day.
But we realize we have got to increase throughput here.
The governor is pushing a new My Turn platform that's being piloted here in San Diego and Los Angeles, where people can register, then they are told when they're eligible for vaccines. Right now, that group includes people over 65, healthcare workers, and first responders.
It's a centralized system to enter vaccines that are received and administered, and it's a mechanism to fundamentally address the supporting lag, which again is very stubborn but very real.
We don't want to change the trajectory we're on. We have to avoid those high-risk settings.
Locally, officials say lessening of restrictions is a good step.
But opening the purple tier will hopefully provide some relief, again, to those businesses, particularly our restaurants and our personal care services that have been most heavily impacted.
With the regional order now gone, County Public Health Officer Dr. Wilma Wooten could have chosen to be more restrictive.
I think it is time for businesses to be able to start having some hope, and I think the move made today was a reasonable one.
Going to the purple tier also means some youth sports can begin competing again. The governor was asked today if a recall campaign and pressure from lawsuits influenced his decision to lift some restrictions.
Yeah, that's just complete, utter nonsense. So let's just dispense with that.
Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.